Hi friends, good evening. Myself Shivani Kondipagundale from Unique Computer Petpadka. Today I'm topic about is a PPSD. PPSD is of a training system course. Firstly, is of a PPSD is a part. P is a programming. D is a designing. O is operating, and PPSD W is a web page design. Is a PPSD O. PPSD O is a PPSD is long form a part of process with skill development. Part of a process with skill development, and PPSD is operating of is firstly is of MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Internet, and advanced tally of a basic tally, Excel expert, advanced Excel expert, industrial accounting, and hardware of a teaching is a point of a teaching is point. Next is of PPSDD. PPSDD is a designing of part. PPSDD is the first list of InDesign, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Illustrator, and Photo Pro, and Premiere Pro, animation, 3D animation, 2D animation. Is of a teaching is a pointer. Next is of a programming. Programming is a language of a C, C++, Java, Python, AI, HTML, CSS is a point of, and PPSDW is of web page design is all programming and designing of a part, and personal of a teaching practical knowledge, job placement of a center, and training system of a course is a PPSD. PPSD of a training system course is business training of a business training, and of a business training, and thank you so much.